Hi, I'm Mark Newman. I'm a sculptor working in the collectibles market mainly for many, many years, since back mid-'80s. Working all traditionally in clays and waxes, and this is when Super Sculpey became the brand new cool thing over the waxes and clays. But then, of course, digital was creeping up and evolving very rapidly into the whole process of making things now. So I had to learn all that. Very thankfully enough, a friend, Andrew Course, had invited me along with Paul Gabery. There you are, good to see you. Louis Tucci were there, good to see you. And down to the Newman workshop for a weekend just to get a crash course in learning ZBrush. And so a lot of traditional guys like Steve Wang was there, Damon Bard, Randy Bowen, Brian Wade, bunch of cool people like that. And we learned it all, opened our eyes to it, and it just was amazing. So we had to go and learn it all, and learning from all the tutorials online, over from all this amazing community of artists who share, really helped along the way. So I thank you everyone for all that, and I'm just so glad I'm still relevant and making cool things. So enjoy the summit, have a great weekend. Maybe I'm there, I don't know, I might be.